Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove old likes on Instagram, follow these step-by-step instructions to curate your activity and manage your digital footprint. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the main menu. Step 4. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Step 5. Tap your activity to access various activity logs and insights. Step 6. Select Interactions, then tap Likes to see all the posts you have liked in chronological order. Step 7. Scroll through your liked posts and tap the heart icon on any post to unlike it. Step 8. Instagram displays these in reverse chronological order, with newest first, so scroll down to find your oldest likes. Step 9. Continue the process systematically, perhaps setting a goal for how many you want to unlike per session. Step 10. Be aware that unliking posts will not notify the original poster, but your like will simply disappear from their likes count. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.